Hey y'all, in this video I'm showing you guys this easy and quick style that I got from one of my followers on Instagram. This style is super cute and we're gonna get straight into how I did it. So I'm starting on freshly washed, deep conditioned and detangled hair. I haven't applied my leave-in yet, but this is what my hair looks like, and we're gonna go ahead straight in with sectioning. So with the sectioning, I wanted to make sure that they were nice and crisp and neat because it just aided in the more polished look of the style. So I made sure that this was nice and straight, and in the front I made square sections, but in the back, you'll see later on in the video, my sections are kind of triangle / diamond shaped. But now I'm going in and just moisturizing, so I'm applying some warm water, and then I'm gonna apply a cream leave-in on top of that and detangle further. So next what I do is add gel on my hair after I feel like I have enough leave-in on and it's thoroughly detangled. I add gel on it because the girl who I saw do this style, or I saw had this style, the picture that I saw, her hair looked very sleek and very just like put together and slicked down. So I went in with some gel to try and recreate that sleek / slick back type of look. And after I got it as slicked down as I possibly could, I just went in with a rubber band and secured the ponytail. And yeah, I wrapped it around. I try not to do it too tight, but a few days later I found out that I was doing it too tight, or I had wrapped them around too tight. But just be mindful of that. Make sure you don't wrap your rubber bands around your hair too tight. But as you see here, I'm just kind of fixing up my edges, making sure that they're laying down. Later on I'm gonna go on top of this with some edge control just to make sure it's super secure, super slick down. And yes, then what I do is just detangle the ponytail further. You all know I don't like tangles. I do not like tangles, so just go in and detangle that a little bit more, and then I will proceed to twist, which you will see in just a few seconds. So I'm going to go in with a rubber band to secure the end of the twist because that is what the girl did in her photo. So yeah, that is it. And now we're going to speed this process up, and then I'll be back at the end to show y'all the results. So these are the results of this twisted ponytail style. It is the next day. Yeah, it's set very nicely, as y'all see. I tried to do my little edges. This is what the back looks like. Those are the triangle parts I was telling y'all about earlier in the video. And yes, this style is super easy to achieve, super quick, super simple, but it's so cute. You can add little hair jewels. I didn't do that this time, but I think I might do that next time. You can add hair jewels, the string, whatever you want, and you're good to go. So yes, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave me comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that bell to notify each and every time girl posts a new video. And I'll catch y'all later. Bye.